Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Matthew Allo, your Microsoft Excel instructor. You are welcome to today's class. So today you are going to learn about text functions in Excel. Text functions in Excel. Text functions are built-in formulas in Excel that manipulate and work with text strings. These functions can be powerful tools in Excel for manipulating and analyzing text data in Excel. So let's go through this one after the other. We have the concat function, the concatenate function, the TEXTJOIN, the lower, upper, proper, mid, right, left, and length. So now let's start with concat. So concat is a function used to join text together, a string of text string. So to do this, you enter the formula concat. So then you select the range of cells. The range of cells you want to join together. So I've selected these. Then close the bracket and press enter. So this will join all of these letters together. Again, you can do the same here. Just type concat. Okay, so select the range of cells, then you press the enter key. Okay, F G H I J A B C D E F G H I J, and the same thing goes with this concat. Select and press enter. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this the same thing goes to concat. And you select the range. Okay, 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so that is done. Now let's talk about concatenate. So this will join text together that's from two columns. Okay, now we have the first name and last name. So we want to combine this together as full name. So then use concatenate function equals to concatenate. It's already showing here. And double click. Then you select the text in the first column, then separated by put comma. Then to separate these two, you have to just separate a space. So I'll just put quotes, then space, quotes. Okay, then comma again, then the second column. So you select that, the second cell. So then close the bracket and press the enter key. Okay, David White. So to generate the rest, just drag down the field handle. Okay, so all of these have been joined together as full name. So first name as last name, joined together as full name. And again, let's see text join. So for text join, you type equals to text join, and open the bracket. Then this is starting with delimiter, like what are you separating the text with. So you just type double quote space, then double quote, then a comma, then ignore empty cell. Okay, that's true. Then again a comma, then you now select the first cell, then comma, then the second cell, comma. That's the second cell. Just close the bracket. We just have two columns there, the one with the first name, the last name, and you press enter. Okay, so that is how you use text join. So now you can drag down to generate the rest just like we did for concatenate. You can see that. Okay, that has been done. Then for lower, so lower will just convert the text to lowercase. So let's see. Now we have the text here, and want to turn all of this to lower case. We just type equal to lower. Okay, let's double click here. Then select the text we want to convert. Then close the bracket and press enter. Okay, so that is it. So all of the letters here are now in lowercase. So you can just generate the rest. So for the rest, you just use a fill handle to generate the rest. So you can see all of these have been turned to lowercase. Okay, the next one is upper. You can as well use upper to turn all the letters to uppercase. So now you type equal to upper, equals to upper, and double click. Then you select the text, then close bracket and press enter. Okay, so uppercase. Now all of the words are converted to uppercase. Okay, that is done. Then for proper, so proper will just put the first letter of each word in capital, which will capitalize the first letter of each word. So how do we do this? You type equals to upper. We convert all of the text to uppercase. So you click the text you want to convert, then press enter. So then you generate the rest by just dragging down. Okay, that is done. You can see all of the text are now converted to uppercase. Then look at mid. Okay, for mid, you are going to follow the parameter here. So starting just with a certain part. So let's see how that works. Equals to mid. So equals to mid. So it returns characters from the middle of a text string, given the starting position and length. Okay, that is exactly what we're going to do now. So we start with the text you want to adjust. So this is mid, open the bracket. Then this is the text, the starting text. Okay, then this is the text you are considering. So then we have the comma. Then you look at where do you want to start, which letter is the starting letter. So looking at this, A, B, C, D, E, F. So we're starting with F. So starting with F. So how many characters you want to include? So starting with F. Now you put a comma. Okay. Then how many letters from the sixth, starting with the sixth letter, how many letters forward? So we are going to have F, G, H. So from starting with the sixth letter, you have F, G, H. So that is it. So you include the number of letters. Okay, so you're just going to have F, G, H. So this one is saying 3, just three characters. So you close the bracket. So look at this again. So the text you are considering, then the position where you are starting from starts from F, G, H. Okay, then you have the number, how many letters you want to consider. So just 3. So when you press enter, so you can see that F, G, H. So starting with the sixth letter, then going forward, you have just 3 letters, just from F, G, H. So consider 3 letters. Okay, then you generate the rest by just using a fill handle. So that's it. So for this one, mid function, so we're starting with the 5th letter, 1, 2. That's mid. You consider this as 3. Then the space as well in between is counted, is considered mid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting with the 5th letter forward, so we're going to have 8 characters forward. So number of characters equal to 8. Looking at the what we have then for Microsoft Excel. So we are starting with the 11th one, the 11th letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Excel, the E starts with E, then 5, going forward. Okay, next one. So that's all about me. Then for right, so now you're just going to look at the text you have here. So that is going to be right, open the bracket. Then the text you are considering, the text is A, B, C, D, E. So from right, that now is from right. So you are taking the third letter from right. So you have comma and close bracket. Okay. Okay, let's start this again. Okay, right. In a bracket and the text and comma. Then 3. Just from right. So 3 letters forward. So you can have press the enter key. So that is from right, C, D, E. So start with third letter C, D, E from right. So the third letter here is C. So D, E. Then let's see the rest again. Okay, good. So this is taking 4 letters from right. From right, G, A, T, E. 4 letters from right. Then you have from right, that's going to be from right, C, D, E. So then from right here is going to be E, T, A, G. So that's it from right. And this one is L, E, C, E, X, E. So from right. So this one as well, 4th letter from right. So you have Bush. Here you have Excel. So if you count from right, here as well, if you count from right, you have 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is it. So CDE. So and the rest. Let's see the next one, left. Okay. So for left, so we are going to count from left. So this one is counted from left. You have left. You open the bracket. Okay. So the text, then you press enter. That's the text you are considering. Then the number of characters you want to include as 3 from left. So this one is starting from left. So you have from left, it's going to be ABC, ABC. Okay. So press enter. So you can see, we're going to generate the rest again. So you can see from left. So the 4th letter from left, starting from left, B-I-L-L. From left, B at Microsoft. So that's going to be 9 characters from left. Okay, so that's how it works then with Excel as well. And Joe Biden and George Bush, you can see left. So the next one is a len. So len will just count the number of characters you have in the text. Okay, number of characters have the text. So for expert, you just press enter. Okay, for expert, you have 6 letters. So for training, you have 8. Okay. For training, you have 8. Innovation, you have 10. Okay. So that is all about the text functions. So these are just the text functions that we consider for today. The concat, concatenate, text join, lower, upper, proper, mid, right, left, and left. So ensure you go over this. Ensure you go over this again and again, so that you get more understanding. So for concat, then for concatenate, then text join, then for upper, then for lower, for upper, then for proper, then mid, then right, left, and learn. So ensure you go over this to understand it better and make sure you practice. So we are going to meet in the next class while we continue from where we stopped today. So ensure you practice. See you in the next class. Bye.
I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.